Hey guys, so I've been depressed for about a month now, but it's time to get back to it. Time to get productive and be an actual adult. So let's see how I did that today. Check it out. Hey y'all, what's up? It's Dee, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. That's me. Like I said before, I've been depressed for about a month, if not a little bit more. Um, so yeah, let's see how I'm finally going to function like a adult for the first time in what feels like forever. So, a lot has fallen by the wayside. I have not taken care of the house after moving. I have not taken care of doctor's appointments. It's just been a mess. So, we are working to get our lives together, and it starts with cleaning the house. Um, and really, we're going to start with the office because this is where we spend most of our time. We are a medical student, we're an MBA student, we are super involved in student organizations, and we're in the office all day long. So, we are cleaning because the room that you're in, the space that you occupy, and the state of that space is a direct reflection of your mental health status. So, I'm going to fake it till I make it and pretend like things are okay until things are actually okay. So, a little background on me. I have been battling depression coupled with anxiety for, oh gosh, since 2013. Yeah, since 2013. So it's been about 8 years now. I was first discovered as an undergraduate in college. And then, of course, here I am in medical school now, still battling, still pushing forward, still finding my triggers and attempting to find healthier coping mechanisms. One thing that's really helped a ton has been going to therapy, and I know it's like taboo in a lot of minority communities. And even as a preacher's kid, or I'm sorry, excuse me, even as a pastor's kid, it's kind of just like, why don't you exercise more faith? Why don't you pray it away? And the way I see it, God gave us psychiatrists and therapists and counselors for a reason. God knew that we'd be dealing with the turmoils of this world and that they would weigh differently on us, you know? Now we get into the fun part. We're laying out our highlighters, our pens, our planner. It is time to actually get productive. We're about to light a candle, get the vibe right, glue on our nail, y'all. So, as I light this candle, I'll tell y'all. I use a poly gel set, but the extender gel that I use to put my nail extensions on was old, and so my thumbnail like popped off. And I found it this morning. I'm still looking for my middle finger nail, so don't judge me too harshly in the comments. But I found my thumbnail, so we're about to put it back on. Make it look all somewhat cute, a little less ratchet. I feel like I am 90% presentable now. So now that my nail is back on, we're going to hit a different angle, a different view, because I'm giving y'all views from all sides today. We are going to set the vibe. We're pulling up some chill hop music, and we are going to organize. The planner that I use is called the Day Designer. I fell in love with this while I was in college. It's awesome. I'll tell y'all all about it in a minute, but I'm laying out my Day Designer and getting ready to go into a focus zone. rest of the month of August because it's time to move on to my favorite part of this planner, the actual day pages. These pages break things down by task, by time. There's a section for notes and daily gratitude. There's a quote of the day at the top of the page. It's just an awesome space to put everything that you could possibly need for the day in one section. There's even a section for you to plan your dinner. Like, y'all, they thought of everything when they thought of this planner. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking my to-do list, the running to-do list that I've just been casually adding to while I've been in my depressive state, and assigning it based on priority to different dates in my planner. And in doing this, I've actually come to several realizations, right? Like, number one, I've not taken care of my health. So I'm actually going to call and make a doctor's appointment during this video. I also realized that I haven't been checking my email. And as regional director of a nonprofit organization, like, that's not good. I also realized that I haven't been thinking about school as much as I need to. Like, I haven't been prioritizing school. So here I am just trying to enact healthy practices while I'm in this very delicate state. It's so easy for me to, for example, call and make this appointment like I am right now and just say, oh, they'll remind me of my appointment closer to. But instead, I'm saying, you know what? I'm taking control over my life, even if it's in the smallest way. And I'm writing down the date and time of my appointment a month in advance. It's the small things that remind me that I am in control of my life and that my mental health waxes and wanes. And so I'm going to be on the highest of highs some days and the lowest of lows on other days, and that's okay. But what's in my control, I will do. What I can manage to do, I will do, to remind myself that everything that I deal with regarding my mental health is doable. It's very doable. I just have to make it doable. And instead of this running list that plagues my mind every day, I'm going to break it down based on what I can get done in a day realistically. Alright, time for a quick time check. We've got 20 minutes left on this Pomodoro technique, and I'll leave more information about what exactly it is down below. But we did it, guys. We did it. We cleaned up. We organized our planner. We are ready to be productive. We feel comfortable in our office. We've got the vibes going. We've got our phone logged. And we're ready to make our study schedule and be a doctor with an MBA. And we're very proud of ourselves. We are. So, next up, I'm just going to make my study schedule. And instead of throwing it in here, I'm going to make a separate video for that. So stay tuned for more information on how to make a study schedule in medical school. Love you guys. Bye.